Yeah, good morning everyone. Today is Monday. Happy Monday morning. I hope you are all fine. Walang sakit. Happy lang. Enjoying life. Relaxing. Chilling. Yan po. Like me, I just finished taking a bath, fixing my bed, and then fixing also my face, doing some just a mild makeup. And then a while ago, just a moment ago, I'm watching YouTube. I am keep abreast with a political news today. So anyway, just move on. Uh, just uh, just listen. Okay, just view. And then thank you very much for all those who are watching my reels, even my YouTube channel. If you like, please click and subscribe. Even my other FB page, Nel Rose Farm Garden and Resort. Yung picture niya is swimming pool and bahay kubo. I enjoin everyone to please uh, like my page and share also. And then you review all the posts there. I hope you like it. And maybe tomorrow I was not able kasi to post for that yesterday. I was there. But anyway, um, maybe I can move on tomorrow there so I can have another vlog or reels or live streaming. Anyway, nag-busy kasi ako doon taking care of my bougainvillea. Uh, uh, Nag-cultivate ako sa bougainvillea. Tinitignan ko kung kulang ang tubig kasi sometimes konti lang nilalagay ng mga kasama ko doon, lalo yung bata. Yung bata na inuutosan ng tatay, yung isang konting balde ng paint, gawin yan tatlong pots. So wala, kulang na kulang yung watering ng bata. So I make sure na binibisita ko mga pots kung talagang nabasa o hindi. Okay, if not, they will repeat it. So ayan po ang ginawa ko kahapon. Medyo hirap din lumakad kasi meron akong problem sa spine o osteoporosis. Yan po. Anyway, good morning at God bless everyone. Chill lang, relax if you're in the office now. Just enjoy your work, love your work, because be compassionate, lalo sa hospital, be compassionate, be friendly with your client, so that they will give you a positive feedback survey, and then draw a milestone away from. Kahit hindi may nakita kayong medyo hindi alam ang gagawin, tuturuan, assist, facilitate. Yes, thank you very much to all. Shout out loud sa mga taga-SIMC employees and even the retirees, of which I belong to a cooperative. Okay? So, sana lahat kayo po dyan ng employees, please join the co-op. It's for you, for me, and for everyone there. So, ayan po. Thank you again sa mga viewers ko naman. I hope you're fine. Just call me or message me kung meron kayong mga problems na kayang-kaya ko naman i-assist kayo. Just message me. I'll see if I can do something. Okay? I will assist you. Maraming salamat, everyone. Thank you again for watching, my dear followers and even my non-followers and even soon to be my followers. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. Good morning. God bless us, everyone. Thank you.